When it comes to harvesting efficiency, every detail matters. Introducing our baler, a practical and efficient machine designed specifically for real-world farming environments. This baler is streamlined down to its core components, designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing tractors and workflows, eliminating all redundancy. It employs robust engineering only where it matters. A heavy-duty pickup with adjustable teeth at the front ensures smooth and even pickup of crops, even in thick stalks or irregular haystacks. The internally reinforced baling chamber compresses the material into dense, uniform bales, ensuring they maintain their shape during transport and storage. The precision knotting system operates reliably even under pressure, providing strong bales with minimal maintenance. Connected via a standard power takeoff (PTO). It is compatible with tractors from 50 to 120 horsepower, offering quick installation and easy operation. From the gearbox to the frame, every component is meticulously designed to ensure durability in harsh field conditions, year after year. Whether you're dealing with hay, wheat straw, alfalfa, or corn stalks, this baler delivers consistent and reliable performance day after day.